Hi, Ryan.
Hi, Ryan.
Hey, thank you for saving my mommy.
Thank you for saving my mommy.
Tell me, what are we doing? Are we baking cake?
We're baking cakes, Ryan.
Can Ryan have one?
Uh-huh.
You bake him a cake too?
Uh-huh.
Tell him we're using your Easy Bake Kitchen.
Yeah. We're using my kitchen.
Tell him, say, I hope you feel better. Hey. She's captivated by SpongeBob right now. Tell him you're watching SpongeBob.
We're watching SpongeBob.
Is he your favorite? Is SpongeBob your favorite?
Yeah. It is my favorite. My Bobby. I go with my legs. My hand.
Do you like seeing yourself on the camera?
Uh-huh.
Uh-huh. Do you tell Ryan that everything will be okay?
It's okay, Ryan.
Tell him we'll get better.
We'll get better.
Say, I love you. Tell Ryan I love you.
I love you.
Can you blow him a kiss? Can you tell him? Tell him. Say, I hope your baby is okay.
I hope your baby's okay.
Is that all you gotta say for now? You got anything else to say? Hey, you got anything else to say to Ryan? What else you want to say? What else do you want to say? Is that all you want to say? Okay, can you say bye?
Bye.
Say good talking to ya.
He's not listening.
He's listening, baby.
Bye.
Go and kiss me. Say have a good day.
Have a good day.